Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2015 Cobalt R3 for sale. This 23-foot Bowrider has 555 engine hours on the MerCruiser stern drive motor with the Bravo 3 lower unit. This has the swim step in the back that deploys. You just pull the handle, flip it down, and you have a nice, easy to launch swim platform down in the water. Easier on your knees and your joints, great for pets to use, and it's nice to just hang out at the sandbar and hang off of this step instead of hanging off the back of the boat and kick in the motor with your legs. We have a transom stereo remote in the back as well, so you can adjust the tunes back here without having to climb up into the boat and fight with the driver over the helm dash display. You have your stereo remote back here, and then you also have a place to put your pylon, so you can do some water sports and tubing. There's a aft facing rumble seat. You can do a back-to-back configuration, or you can put it into a full lounger like we have right here, facing the back of the boat and hanging out when you are anchored out. In the cockpit, we have seagrass flooring that snaps in. It's all custom fit perfectly, so if you just have to take out one piece to clean it, it makes it really convenient. You're not taking the whole flooring out or having to physically take the boat in to get it all cleaned up. You just pull out the piece that you want to clean and put it back when you're ready. We have not one, but two self-draining storage bins here in the boat. So you can fill those up with ice and use them as a cooler. They will drain themselves out, so there's no extra hassle when you're done boating for the day. The passenger also has an adjustable backrest, so you can face the cockpit or face the front of the boat side by side with the driver. The driver has a bolster cushion, so when the water gets a little bit choppy, no worries, just put that cushion up and you can use the chair actually like a leaning post. It helps you to brace your legs a little bit more, and you do have the premium helm mat, which is the stainless steel pad with some rubber gripping, giving you really great stability while underway. This boat is rated for up to 12 people. We have these awesome SmartCraft gauges here at the helm, so you have your digital and analog view. There are red LED indicator lights on these switches here at the helm so that you can see what you're doing even after dark. And this boat is great for those chillier evenings or early mornings. When you want to do a sunrise ski session, you shut this bow door here and it blocks the wind from the cockpit, giving you a nice calm environment. This has the Rockford Fosgate speakers and subwoofers, so this is a great sound system, and when you have that bow door closed, you get a really nice sound here in the cockpit. There's accent lighting, this blue accent lighting throughout the boat, giving you a little bit of a vibe change. As the sun sets in the evening and you want to elevate your experience, we've got that LED accent lighting. And of course, we have our courtesy lights, these white LED lights. They were really strategic with how they place the lighting throughout this boat, so you're not stubbing your toe or having to look for where the steps are on the boat. They're all pre-lit and ready to go, keeping everyone on board safe even if your feet are wet. This is a beautiful navy blue and white boat with a red boot stripe. It's super patriotic, but it's subtle enough to enjoy the rest of boating season as well, besides Labor Day, Memorial Day, and of course the 4th of July boating season. This has the Easy Fold bimini with the navy blue canvas, so you can keep your crew shaded when you want to get out of the sun and fold it back really simply when you want to enjoy some sunshine. There's a 12-volt receptacle at the helm, so you can use that for your air compressor to air up your inflatables, your tubes, your stand-up paddle boards, or keep your phone plugged in all day long. This boat is available now at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. Come see it today on Highway 371 and see all of our other used boats for sale to find your cruise dream boat for 2026.